Watering instructions for seeded lawns. Wait 24 hours before starting the watering process. This will allow the paper mulch to set up with no harm to the seed, even in hot weather. Water your new lawn as many times as needed to keep the seed bed from drying out. This may require up to 2 to 3 waterings on hot, sunny days. Water until the ground starts to puddle, but not to the point where the water runs off. The object is to keep the seed bed uniformly moist. Weeds. Weeds will germinate in all types of soil. A lack of water also produces weeds. Weed control may be applied after 4 to 5 cuttings, up to 2 applications. Follow application directions on your weed control packaging. Fertilizing. This should be done approximately 30 days after installation, or just after the first mowing. It should be done again 4 to 5 weeks after the initial application, and we recommend using a quality fertilizer designed specifically for your geographic area. It is very important to use the proper fertilizer to not burn your grass and to get your lawn off to a healthy start. It is normal for your new lawn to have weeds and bald spots, as it takes 3 full years to establish a lush lawn. Should you need assistance, we can refer you to weed and fertilizer specialists for maintaining your new lawn.